Folks, this is Donnie and Pat at Puppy Terriers.
Hello.
And we have a bunch of babies.
Look
and
here.
This is leisure day after they had a bath.
They've just had their bath and it's about time for supper. Here's Levi. Here is Levi. Isn't he cute? Look. Here's Levi.
Socializing.
Roy. Yeah.
What it's all about.
Oh. And this is Lily for Lone. Hey, pink collar, pink collar.
They know what danger means already.
Levi is purple. Here's Brooks. Brooks. We got two litters with us in here. Here's Brooks for Tiara. Look at the camera, baby. Here's Brooks for Tiara. Yeah. Here's Max for Leon. Now we have two green collars here, okay?
One of them's got a black mark on it.
Right. See the black mark? This is Colt. This is Colt. I believe I named everybody. And Scarlet. Yoo-hoo.
They know what.
Miss Scarlet. Where are you, darling? There you are. There you is, Scarlet. There her is. Patty, Scarlet. There her is. And they're ready to eat, that's why. And they're trying to climb on me. Oh.
But they know what stay means also. You had to keep it up and use the word stay. But they just learned today what it means.
Yep.
And they're all doing good with it, matter of fact.
Okay. Richard. Here's Keiko. Green with the black. That's Keiko. I know you're hungry, darling. I know. Most of y'all is quiet. What is your problem? They're just as hungry as you are, huh? Hello. Come here, baby. Come here. Yes. It's okay. It's all right.
They're really not that hungry. We half fed them.
Yeah, look
so
at that
they
belly.
wouldn't be so full during the bath.
Look at that belly. It's all biggin'. It's all biggin'. Yeah. Hi, Brooks. Hi, darling. Hi. Yeah.
This makes them to where when you get them,
Levi.
they don't mind. They ain't scared of you. Which starts them off as a good personality.
Lone's Lily. Let's see about the back. Can we turn you over? Yes, we can.
Something you want to do is turn them upside down like that.
Yes.
So you can always
Yes.
inspect their undercarriage whenever they get grown.
Pose. There you go. Okay, look here. You are way too young for that. Who taught you that? Scarlet again. Trying to climb my leg. Hey, Max. Leon, Max.
Watch this.
Green, solid green collar. Uh-oh, Donnie. Why? Why?
Come here, babies.
Oh.
Come here, babies. That's the way you get them to come to you. Come here, babies.
I believe they learned the word.
That's it. All right, Pat, calm them down.
Okay, all right.
That's
it's
enough.
all right.
It's all right.
It's all
It's
right,
all right.
Donnie. You're mean.
It's all
You're
right.
cruel.
No, don't hurt them a little bit too much.
Come here, Lily.
I know it. I hear you.
Come here, Scarlet. Donnie's mean.
That's
Yeah,
cute, ain't it?
He's mean. Come here,
Yeah.
Lily.
Yeah, my babies. My babies.
Come here.
Yeah, I hear
Yeah.
you.
Let me have him. I can't reach him.
They're crying.
Okay.
They're crying.
And look at Lily. Look at here. Look at here. Bunch of puppies.
But you definitely can call them that way.
Look at
And
that.
you say the same thing I said, and they're going to come to you.
Okay, everybody off. Change your mind. Ooh, yeah. Ooh.
You call them back, Pat.
Come here, guys. I forgot. Okay,
Call 'em
that's
back
it
to
for
you.
this week, guys. Come here, darling. Come here. Very good.
She's
Good.
not using the right calling
The
method.
word is come here.
And the little noise that I make.
And the tick tick. Okay. Oh. I think they're a little more lively this week than last week. What y'all think? Give us a like and share.
Puppy Terriers over and out.